Learn how to use the preposition along. Along means from one part of a road, river, etc. to another, in a line next to something long, at a particular place on a road, river, or similar entity. One evening, I went walking along the beach with my new friend. It grew dark suddenly, and we had to feel our way along the rocks of the shore. A romantic walk along the beach turned into a scary adventure. Luckily, our car was parked very close by, along the edge of a parking lot. I made sure our next meeting was a brisk walk along a path first thing in the morning. Put the words in the correct order. The words should read, "My friend and I went walking along the beach. We had to feel our way along the rocks of the shore. Next time, we will take a walk along the path in the day." Do you like to walk along the beach? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.